Viewers, we have breaking news coming in. A tent has collapsed in Bageshwar Dam and one person has been dead. 5 others have been injured. So this incident happening at Bageshwar Dham in Madhya Pradesh's Chhatarpur district. One devotee has been killed and 5 others have been injured. So the incident occurring this morning after the morning Aarti. The devotees had gathered under the tent to take shelter from the rain. And one devotee was killed after a tent collapsed at Bageshwar Dham in Madhya Pradesh's Chhatarpur district. All right. All right. So what we understand is a heavy iron angle from the tent structure had come.
किसी चीज से हाँ ऐसे ही कुछ बताया गया है विकेटिंग से
7 लोग घायल हुए
अरे हमारे पास एमएलसी 3 लोगों की हुई है जो ड्यूटी डॉक्टर को रिपोर्ट किया है उन्होंने अभी 3 लोगों की रिपोर्टिंग
कितने का कैसी स्थिति
वो ठीक है नहीं अभी रेफरल की जानकारी अभी तक नहीं है अभी 3 ही लोगों की एमएलसी हुई है अभी यहाँ पे अभी
30 किलोमीटर
So this accident happening where a devotee was killed and 5 other people were injured after a tent collapsed at Bageshwar Dham in Madhya Pradesh's Chhatarpur district. And this incident occurred early in the morning after the morning Aarti. The devotees had gathered under the tent to take shelter from rain where the Aarti was going on. And what we do know at this point is that a heavy iron angle from the tent structure came loose and it struck the man on the head and that led to his death.
बना रहे हैं तो इसमें अगर कोई उनको गिफ्ट की जगह ईंट भेंट करे तो लोगों की जो श्रद्धा है वो लाखों की संख्या में रहती है। लाखों में लोग वहां पर आते हैं और जन्मदिन पर कई ऐसे लोग होते हैं जो देश भर से उन्हें उपहार भी देते हैं, दर्शन करते हैं, उन्हें महंगे महंगे तोहफे दिए जाते हैं और लोग
All right, so a major tragedy really happening in Madhya Pradesh's Bageshwar Dham. There was a tent collapse. A man was killed after iron angle struck his head. There have been 5 people who have also been injured. The devotee died on the spot when the tent collapsed at Bageshwar Dham in Madhya Pradesh's Chhatarpur district. The incident occurred after the morning Aarti as the devotees had taken shelter from the rain under the tent, and at this time a heavy iron angle detached from the tent structure and it struck.
पहले से ही चूंकि धीरेन्द्र शास्त्री के जन्मदिन पर लोगों की आने के लिए लोगों का तांता लग जाता है, पूरे देश भर से लोग आते हैं। जिस परिवार के साथ ये हादसा हुआ वो भी उत्तर प्रदेश का बताया जा रहा है, श्यामलाल कौशल जो कि बस्ती के बताए जा रहे हैं। उनकी टेंट गिरने से जो ये हादसा हुआ है उसमें मौत हुई है, कुछ लोग घायल हैं। धीरेन्द्र कृष्ण शास्त्री अपने जो आश्रम है, धाम है, वहीं पर हैं और चूंकि अब उनके अगले कुछ दिन तक धाम पर ही रहने का प्रोग्राम है, इसीलिए वहां पर है। अब स्थिति जो है वहां पर अगर बात की जाए तो चूंकि भगदड़ जैसे हालात बने थे, कुछ लोगों की जो वॉइस है, कुछ लोगों की जो रिएक्शंस भी आए जिसमें उन्होंने बताया कि किस तरह का मंजर था। क्योंकि जब ऐसी भगदड़ होती है, चाहे देश में दूसरे भी कई ऐसे कथावाचक है जिनकी सभाओं में हादसे हुए हैं, तो बहुत ही खतरनाक दृश्य बनता है। क्योंकि लोग जहां उन्हें दिखता है उस साइड भागते हैं, अपनी जान बचाने के लिए भागते हैं। लेकिन यहाँ पर उतना बड़ा हादसा ये नहीं है। एक 3 सेट गिरा, चूंकि वो एंगल जो लोहे के होते हैं उसके साथ वो उसे बनाया जाता है, तो उसके गिरने से यह हादसा हुआ जिसमें अभी फिलहाल एक व्यक्ति की मौत है। और चूंकि तुरंत हालात को सामान्य करने के लिए उसे अस्पताल ले जाया गया जहां पर कि उसका पोस्टमार्टम किया जा रहा है। जो लोग घायल हैं उन्हें उपचार दिया जा रहा है। स्थिति को सामान्य करने के लिए पुलिस प्रशासन के अलावा जो धीरेन्द्र कृष्ण शास्त्री के वॉलंटियर्स हैं।
All right, so as our reporter was giving us information about the deceased man who has now been identified and he hails from Uttar Pradesh. His name is Shamlal Kaushik. He is from Ayodhya And remember, this tragedy happened early in the morning today during the Aarti time. And all the devotees had gathered for the Aarti, and they were under the tent. They had taken shelter from the rain that was there, and the tent collapsed. This is the tragedy that struck Bageshwar Dham in Madhya Pradesh's Chhatarpur district, and one person has died after a heavy iron angle detached from the structure, from the tent area. That was a sort of a makeshift arrangement that was made for the devotees to take shelter from the rain as the morning Aarti was going on. And this heavy iron angle detached from the structure, and it fatally struck this person called Shyamlal Kaushal, who hails from Ayodhya. All right, so major tragedy happening in Madhya Pradesh's Chhatarpur district. One person has been killed. There have been several who have been injured as well. So a young man died. Many people were injured when a tin shed fell on him in Bageshwar Dham. The devotees from Sikandarpur had come to visit Bageshwar Maharaj on his birthday. The people were standing near the darbar, and at this time the tin shed fell with a loud noise. And what we understand is one person has been killed, 5 others have been injured. The post-mortem of the deceased has been conducted in the district hospital. The injured people have been admitted to the district hospital for treatment as well. And this big accident took place in Chhatarpur, Bageshwar Dham. Young man died a painful death when the tin shed fell on him during the darbar. And many people were also injured after being buried under this tin shed. The injured were
जी हाँ, तो देखिए हमारी सहयोगी जो है ऋतु भी ग्राउंड जीरो पर मौजूद हैं, उनसे जानते हैं ताजा अपडेट क्या है।
All right, we'll try to connect back with our reporter, but according to the information, Shyamlal Kaushik, who is a resident of Sikandarpur district, he had come with his family to visit Bageshwar Maharaj on his birthday. And on Thursday morning, he was standing with his family near the darbar. This incident happened at around 7:30 a.m. when suddenly the tin shed fell.